Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create automation in Pipedrive. This is a powerful feature that helps you streamline your sales process by automatically triggering actions based on specific events, saving you time and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. First, open your browser and head over to pipedrive.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Pipedrive dashboard where you can access all the tools you need to manage your sales pipeline effectively. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on the three dots icon, which will reveal additional options. From this menu, select Automations. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to set up workflows that run automatically based on the rules you define. Once you're in the Automation section, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Automations button again. This will take you to the Automation Creation interface, where you can start building your workflow from scratch. The first thing you need to do is set up your trigger. Click on Event Trigger to begin. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Item and choose Deal. This tells Pipedrive that you want this automation to activate when something happens with a deal. Under Event, select Updated, which means the automation will trigger whenever a deal is modified in any way. Once you've made these selections, click Apply Trigger to confirm. Next, you'll need to add a condition that specifies exactly when this automation should run. Click on Instant Condition, then select Add Custom Condition. This opens up a new set of options where you can define the specific criteria. Select Deal Stage from the first drop-down, then for the operator choose Has Changed to. This ensures the automation only runs when a deal moves to a specific stage. Now, select Proposal Made as the target stage. This means the automation will only activate when a deal enters the Proposal Made stage. Click Apply Conditions to save this setup. Now, let's add a delay to give your prospects some time before the next action occurs. Click on Delay and enter the time period you want to wait. For this example, let's add 3 days. This creates a buffer between when the deal moves to the Proposal Made stage and when the next action takes place. Click Apply Delay to confirm. The next step is to define what action should happen after the delay. Click on Action, then select Activity and choose Create Activity. Click Next to proceed. You'll now see a list of checkboxes that let you customize the activity. Check the boxes for the fields you want to include, such as Assigned to, Linked Deal, Linked Organization, and Linked People. These options ensure that the activity is properly connected to all relevant contacts and data in your pipeline. Once you've selected the appropriate checkboxes, click Next. Now, it's time to fill in the details of the activity. In the activity subject field, type something descriptive like follow-up made. You can also click to add deal title, which will automatically pull in the name of the deal so you can quickly identify what the follow-up is about. Next, choose the type of activity you want to create. For this example, select Call, which indicates that this will be a phone call task. For the due date, select the same day. This ensures that the activity is scheduled to happen on the same day it's created, keeping your follow-up timely and relevant. Now, fill in the data fields for Assigned to, Linked Deal, Linked Organization, and Linked People. This should correspond to the checkboxes you selected earlier, ensuring that the activity is assigned to the right person and connected to the correct deal and context. Once everything is filled in, click Apply Action to finalize this step. You're almost done. Head to the upper right corner of the screen and click Save. This will store your automation and make it ready to use. Finally, activate your automation by toggling the switch or clicking the Activate button. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever a deal moves to the Proposal Made stage. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation in Pipedrive that will help you stay on top of your follow-ups and keep your sales process running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.